subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily remove camera option from your lock screen on your iPhone. So for doing this, first thing, just unlock your phone, and after just go to the general to the settings. Just open the settings on your phone, and in the settings you need to find here screen time. Just tap on it. Now if you turn it off, just turn on. Now just wait until it will activate your screen time. Just choose here option content and privacy restrictions. Now just turn on here, and here you need to open allowed apps, and here you need to turn off camera. So now just go back to menu, just try to lock your phone, and now you can see that we disable this option from your lock screen. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.